Okay, Mom. We're going, Mommy.
Where are we going? What are you doing?
So Mickey Mouse. So Mickey Mouse and so Mickey. Hey, Mama.
Joey, what are you doing?
I will press these buttons. I will come right back. I want to put my seatbelt on. Okay, Mommy?
Okay. Today is October 10th. We are in the grocery store parking lot.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, Joey. What are you doing?
Just pressing these buttons. What, Mom? I was 86. Okay, Mommy? I will come right back, Mommy.
Okay.
Bye, Mommy.
Where are you going, Joe?
Bye, Mommy.
Where are you going, Lily?
I don't know.
Oh. You gonna put my sunglasses on?
Yeah, I'm not gonna put your sunglasses on because
No.
I'm so I'm going. Let's go. I want to hold on this one.
You're gonna hold the pedal?
Yeah. Okay. But we didn't because I already have the phone out. Because I already have the phone out. Oh, piece of the paper. Piece paper. Mama. Mama. Piece paper. Mama. Why are you taking the picture?
I'm taking a picture of you and of Joe. You guys driving the car.
Do taking the picture for me and Lily. Anna.
Well, how about this, Joey? If you say bye-bye, then I will stop.